Hello there, and welcome to the video talking about the game's AI. In this, I'll be showing off the different pathings that the AI will take and the reasons why I take it, and then also talk a little bit about the scripts behind the scenes and everything, just to show off that it works. So, this is the Guard AI, which is the main AI of the game. And the Guard AI has two different things it needs to take care of. It needs to take care of its self-well-being, and then once it's done that, then it needs to guard and patrol the area. Self-well-being is split into two things. It's split into food and water. This just say like, oh yeah, so I need to get a drink from here, or get a drink from here. I need to eat. I need to drink, and this just helps the in terms of realism, it keeps the AI alive, if that makes sense, because it wouldn't be a very good guard if it just guards areas and doesn't take care of itself. But once it's done that, then it goes, okay, which one do I need to take care of next? Which patrol area do you need to take care of next? The patrol areas are set up like this. This is Area 1, Area 2, Area 3, and Area 4. And there's also two areas where I can get a drink from, Area 1 and Area 2. And these are done just to show the AI, because they're triggers. So the AI will walk into here and it'll go, okay, so I'm now drinking, or I'm now eating, or I'm now patrolling Area 1. And the game will respond by saying, yes, you are, because you're in these areas. And it will satisfy the internal AI's need. And then the way it actually passes them is we have the little capsules here, which represent the areas which they can go to. So we can just hide all these. Doesn't actually matter. We just delete the mesh renderer. But yes, it will try and go here. So if for example, if it does need water, then it will path to here, which coincidentally is the area which it can drink from. So it just helps with the AI. The AI itself is running a modified version of the A-Star script coded in Assignment 1, and all that does is it allows it to move. It tries to take a longer route towards the area, and by doing this it deliberately forces it through different patrol areas, because in terms of the sense of realism, I'm saying that it's guarding an area and you're trying to hide from it, and you just have to walk around and try and get out of the AI's way. And if you get too close, which is the sphere here, then the game will stop you, and you'll have to. The game will quit. But yes, the AI also runs a unit script, which is a new way that I saw on how to actually get the pathing to run correctly and quickly, because the unit script sends a message to the script here for the game manager, and the game manager will basically say it'll put the actual request in a queue, and then it'll go through that queue saying, okay, well, you'll have to wait at the moment because we're currently generating a path for another unit, but once we've generated this path, then we can say, okay, the next one go through, and then that goes through to the A-Star script. The A-Star script generates the path, sends it back to the Seeker, and then the Seeker has a path to work on. To do this, we have different locations where it can go to, so it'd be the target 1, target 2. These are just testing to make sure it actually works. The player, if it sees to play, it will go to them. Drink, food, which are these two, and then the 4 patrol areas. These can be hidden in the game, so no worries about that, but if you know where they'll patrol to, then they'll go there. But we could, for example, we could edit this location, and it would edit patrol the location we will go to if it needs to go to patrol 3. So yes, this is the AI. So it now says, okay, well, I need to go patrol Area 1. So it runs off to Area 1, goes and patrols it. Move me and hide the gizmos. This is where the player is, being controlled by WS and D. If I just cheat and show the gizmos, I can put myself in a safe location. There we go. So yes, that's the AI. Again, it's taking the longer route just to make it look more realistic. And in terms of actual improvements, first off, this makes it so much more quicker, because instead of the script running multiple times, going, I need a path here, I need a path here, I need a path here, it puts it on a queue, so it can't run there straight away. It has to wait, which is slower if you have a whole bunch of units, but it's quicker if you only have a few, and it allows the script to catch up and actually make sure it's actually running at the correct speed. In terms of other improvements, the way the AI actually works, if I pause it here, I can show it off here. Instead of saying, when we generate the path and actually code it in so that it will follow it, a lot of the times it will say, okay, I need to go here, now I need to go here, now I need to go here, now I need to go to this box, then this box, then this box, then this box, then this box. That can really slow down the game because it's trying to work out, okay, I need to go to this one, then this one, then this one. So when we actually generate the path, we set up the waypoints by telling it, we still have this here to show this is the full path it has, but we say every time there's a change in direction, that's when you need to now change the direction in which you're going in. So it'll go from here to here to here, then it'll go to here, then it will recognise, okay, well, I'm going straight on for a while, so it'll just path all the way straight down here instead of going to each box separately. And this is for the whole thing. This just helps speed up the algorithm again. There is a debate as to whether the actual working out the waypoints is quicker. I think it is, just because everything else can be going on at the same time. It has to go through every point individually here, and that will be running all the time, whereas the waypoints, it will calculate it then, and then it doesn't have to worry about it for the rest of the time. A couple of notes. I have set up the AI so that if it is patrolling to somewhere where it has got food or water in its sights, it slows down, it's relaxing, it's not going to go as quickly, it's, you know, it doesn't need to go as quickly, but we'll just realise in the path of it. But if it's going to patrol a set area, then it will speed up, then it will set its speed to something different, and then once it's stopped and it'll run through its decision tree, if it doesn't need to do anything, it'll just stay around there and just patrol the area. It'll keep on checking its decision tree, but it only checks its decision tree when it's stopped, not when it's going, because then that can suddenly can say, oh, I'm going to go get some food, and it's got its mind on food, and then suddenly it's decided, oh, I need water. That just helps the AI. But yes, thank you for watching the video, and thank you.